Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a store on Shopify. First, begin by creating your Shopify account on their official website, taking advantage of the free trial period. Next, you'll need to choose a compelling and unique name for your online store, one that truly represents your brand. Then, answer a few simple questions about your business type and what you plan to sell, which helps tailor your initial setup. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful online presence. Once your account is ready, it's time to populate your store with products. Upload high-quality images, write engaging descriptions, and set your pricing clearly. After that, personalize your store's look and feel by choosing a suitable theme from the Shopify theme store. You can then customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Finally, organize your offerings into logical collections, making it easy for customers to find exactly what they are looking for. Now, let's focus on the operational side, starting with shipping. Carefully configure your shipping rates and define your shipping zones to ensure accurate delivery charges for your customers. Next, integrate your preferred payment providers, such as Shopify Payments or PayPal, to securely accept customer transactions. It's also vital to review and set up your tax settings correctly, ensuring compliance with all relevant local and international regulations. These steps are essential for smooth transactions. Before going live, thoroughly test your entire checkout process, from adding items to payment, to guarantee a seamless customer experience. Once you are confident, remove your store's password to make your shop publicly accessible to everyone. Finally, begin promoting your brand new Shopify store. Utilize social media platforms and email marketing campaigns to reach potential customers and drive initial traffic. These final steps are key to a successful launch and sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.